So I wanted to talk to you guys a bit about this little guy here. This is the Plugable USB-C to HDMI 8K adapter. So I wanted to tell you why this is my go-to adapter. If you want to get smooth, clear, very high quality video from your laptop, tablet, or phone. So why I like this one is because you can just plug and play. You don't need a driver or anything like that. It works with USB-C, USB 4, and the Thunderbolt 3/4. It also supports 4K up to 144 and HK up to 60. It is great for gaming, doing design work, movies, if you have dual monitors, anything like that. It is made of strong aluminum. It also comes with a 2-year warranty as well. And this is perfect for those of you who are like into gaming, if you're traveling a lot, if you do a lot of presentations for work, if you have like a high resolution monitor, or you work from home, things like that. This is really great and super portable as well.